to be kicked around. The argument, the logical argument would be, okay, this is a punk band. Yet again, having to defend itself. The much simpler, much better thing to do is to just have pulled the feed. They've accepted that that's what they're going to do. I think it's because of the BBC they haven't got an editorial figure that they're willing to say, look, I'm sorry, this just can't go out. And then maybe you've got people who are used to producing music, that kind of thing.
3 or 4 times, and they've always been
violence or anything like that.
What would the crime in the
be? What would the crime be? When you say death to an army, you are, it's too. Like, if you just have to look at America, when somebody would literally